Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm filming another video for you guys. I just finished unboxing my Tarte custom kit. In my last video, if you guys want to see what I got in my Tarte custom kit, you got 7 items for only 63 bucks. Such an amazing deal. If you guys want to see what I got, then feel free to watch my last video. I'll have it linked down in the description bar below. And now I'm on to my second video because you guys know I film normally 2 videos in a day. So today we're gonna see what I got in my Medusa makeup mystery bag. If you guys want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we get into the box, or shall we say the bag, I just want to quickly introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. Hi, my name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related, which is why I decided to start my channel. I love doing makeup subscription boxes because I get to try out all these cool makeup items for such a good price. So that's majority of what you'll see in my channel, but I love to do makeup hauls, collection haul videos, advent calendars, and mystery boxes. So if these are things that you all enjoy watching, then I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and become part of my YouTube family. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys know each and every time I upload a new video. And also, if you want to help the channel, it always helps to show a little love and give me a little thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alrighty, so this is a fairly new makeup subscription to my channel. I've only did one unboxing on my channel because I just subscribed to them literally like a month ago. So if you guys want to see that unboxing, I'll have that link down in the description bar below if you guys want to see that as well. The last unboxing I did, their packaging actually came in a box, and now this time around it came in a bag. So the consistency is a little bit off. I almost didn't know what this was because it came in this, and the last one was in a box. And I want to say, like, previously they always used to have it in something like this. So I guess they're still trying to figure out how they want to package their items. But let me tell you a little bit about Medusa'S makeup mystery boxes. So I have my phone here, and I'm going to just tell you guys a quick little summary about them for anybody who's never heard of this mystery box. So it says this is the #1 monthly cruelty-free and vegan beauty subscription box. It says what to expect. You get 4 full-size beauty products delivered monthly. They ship it daily, so there's no waiting like other subscription boxes. So like, let's say you subscribe, like Ipsy or BoxyCharm, they make you wait like a month to see if you can get into getting their subscriptions. This one, if you subscribe, like the following week, you'll get like a subscription to your house. So I actually got my first one very fast. I subscribed and I got it like a week later. Ironically, this is the makeup box. I keep calling it the box, but this time it's a bag. But I got my makeup bag for October. I just got it literally today, and we're in November, so they were a little late with this one. The last one they were fast, and I'm like, wow, I got that really quick in like a week. And this one, the whole month passed, and I didn't get it, so that was a little off. But just thought I'd mention that. So let's see what else. It says they always feature an indie. What does it say? Always features an indie brand. 100% cruelty and vegan, which I love. It says typically a month box has like 1 beauty product and 3 makeup products. They said expect neutrals for every day, and you're gonna get 1 fun pop of color in each box. So I like that because it takes people out of their comfort level. Like, you'll have your neutrals, but they'll always still give you something with a pop of color just to, you know, keep you on your toes, keep you on your edge a little bit. So without further ado, let's see what I got in my bag. Alrighty. So everything came in a little thing like so. This was a card that came on top. So like I said, this is the October bag that I got in November. I want to say today is like November 6th. But I don't post my videos like the same day. Like sometimes I do the video, but then it may take me a day or two to upload it. And I just did a video for my Tarte custom box that I got. So I'm gonna upload that one first, then this one after. So you guys won't probably see this video to maybe like the 10th or the 11th. So let's see. So the card tells you what you got. So I'm not going to really look at the card because I don't want to ruin my spoiler. Let's see what I got for the October box. So the first thing I see in here is from the Medusa'S makeup line. It's a setting spray. And your girl can never have too much setting sprays. I have like all... Right behind me is like all setting sprays. This whole thing is all setting sprays. So your girl loves setting sprays. So I'll definitely be able to utilize this. So let's see if it has a scent to it. Let me see how it sprays. It doesn't really have like a scent to it. And the mist, I like the mist. Sometimes they spray and it's like a spritz. This is an actual spray that disperses all over the face. So, love that. We can all use setting sprays. Especially me with my 50 setting sprays. Then we got a coconut oil wipe. So, it looks like so. It says, remove makeup, nourish thirsty skin, clear blemish skin, soothe skin. Very interesting. So, it tells you the prices of everything. So, it says the Medusa setting spray is $11. This was a bonus item that they gave me. It says a bonus item is $2. So, they have like the prices down here. And that's a bonus item. What else? I got a Medusa'S makeup mascara. It's called Witch Lash. It's vegan, cruelty-free, thickening mascara. This is what the box looks like. And I literally just got another mascara in my Tarte box. So your girl is set. I'm always set with mascara and eyeliners. So let's open this up and see what the packaging looks like. I won't open it because I have so many mascaras already. But let's see. Oh, I love that it's pink. You guys know pink's my favorite color. All my veterans on my channel. So this is what the mascara looks like. Very exciting. So we could all love a thickening mascara. So when I'm finally done with my other ones, this is the one that I just got in my Tarte custom box that I got. So, and I didn't even open this one. So another mascara I'll add to my mascara box. They gave me lashes. So that mascara was $12. And they said this mascara is featured in Urban Outfitters. And it's waterproof as well, so that's good to know. They gave me the Medusa'S makeup brand lashes. These are not an Aisha lash. I like full, thick, voluminous lashes. But good for people who like more of a natural approach to their lashes. This is what it looks like. Alrighty. And they said this retails for $7. And then I got a tinted lip balm. I guess, is this the indie featured thing? What was the indie featured thing? Oh, it was the mascara, the Witch Lash mascara. Yes, okay, so that was a featured item. Because they always have some type of featured item. I got a tinted lip balm. It says, keep your lips moisturized all day with this flirty, medium, reddish, earthy clay lip. So it's like a burgundy-ish color. And Kiss. So very excited to try this out. You can always use a lip balm, especially we're going into winter time. So you can use your lip balm with a tinted color. And it says that my box was a $41 value. But I forgot how much I paid for this box. So hold on a second. Let's find out. All right. So it says that, hold on. The prices was just here. If you do a 3-month plan, it's $18.45. If you do, I think I did the 6-month plan, which is $17.35 a month. They also have a 12-month plan, which is $16.95. So I did the 6-month because I didn't know if I want to keep this subscription or not. I'm still new to this subscription box, so I said I'm going to just play it by ear. I probably should have only did the 3-month one, just in case I like absolutely hated it, but I'm not mad at it. I always was curious about this brand, the Medusa'S makeup. They said you would get a pop of color, but I want to say, like, I don't see anything with a pop of color. Oh, I guess it would be the lip balm. I guess that's my pop of color. But this is everything I got. They say you get 4 items. So 1, ooh, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was my extra bonus. Not bad. Not too shabby considering I only paid, what, like $17 I said I paid? Yeah, $17.35. $17.95. That's not too bad at all. So I think I definitely got my $17 worth. And it's not an expensive makeup subscription box, and everything's like vegan and like cruelty free. You can't go wrong with that. So I think I'm happy with the makeup bag that I got today, my subscription bag. What did you guys think about it? Did you guys like it? Did you like the things I got? Are you guys subscribed? Let me know in the comments down below. And that concludes the ending to my video. The next video I'm going to be doing is, I have the Makeup Revolution Advent Calendar. Super excited to unbox this for you guys. So stay tuned for that. That'll be my next video I upload. So if you guys, for all my MVPs who stay to the end, I like giving like little sneak peeks of what's to come. So I think I'm going to start implementing that on my channel, like always giving you guys a sneak peek of what I'm going to be unboxing in my next video. Since I always have so much stuff in advance, I get like 3-4 boxes a day, every single day. So at least I can always tell you guys what I'm going to get in advance for you guys. So the MVPs, the true MVPs who stay to the video, love you guys. And you guys get to know little sneak peeks that everybody else who didn't watch the whole video didn't get to know. So that's really about it. This concludes the ending of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you loved my video, give me a thumbs up. If you are new and you liked my content from today's video, then I would say subscribe. I'll have lots more unboxings on my channel of other makeup subscription boxes as well. So that's it, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!